Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you how to give access to Google Ads account, how to send access from MCC account to Google Ads account, how to send access to Google Ads account via mail. We will first learn how to open an MCC account. To open an account, you need to search for Google MCC account in Google Chrome. After that, manage client and ads campaign with manager account. You need to enter this website. To open a new account, click the Start Now button. Then a window like this will appear on your screen. Enter your display name or account name. Primary use of the account, manage others people account, manage my account. Billing country, time zone, currency, captcha. Then click on the submit button. Explore your account. So friends, this is our Google Ads account and this is our MCC account. If we want, we can give access to Google Ads account in two ways. Number one, mail, and number two, Google MCC account. To access the Google Ads account via email, open your Google Ads account and click the admin icon, then access and security plus icon, enter your email, select account access label, email only, billing, read only, standards and admin. You can select how long you want to grant access for. Count access label, then send invitation icon. A message like this will be sent to the email address you sent the access to. Google Ads account name, ads, customer ID, access label. Click on the accept invitation and you will get Google Ads account access. Now how to get access invite Google Ads account through MCC account. First of all, click on the MCC account icon. Then sub account setting plus icon link exist account. After enter your Google Ads account 10 digit account ID and click on the send request button below. Okay. After that, a message like this will come to our email as before. Just accept invitation it from here and you are done. If anyone has any problem with this video, then please contact me and I will help you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, goodbye.